My name is Nerhens Troshani. I'm from Albania and I'm currently placed in the state of Wyoming. During the majority of time I've spent here, sports have played a huge role in my experience of understanding the overall American culture. When I first got here, I heard that the school had a football team and that their season was about to start, so I decided to join them. To be completely honest, at first I regretted that choice, but now when I look back, joining the football team was the best choice I've ever made. It was exhausting and football was a pretty new experience for me, but I was really amazed as to how seriously they took their football training. I've played sports before, but I've never seen coaches put so much effort into training us. We work so hard and feel so tired every single day after practice, but that all hard work would pay off as soon as we showed up in the field, not because we were better than our opponent, but because we outworked them. I remember our coaches always saying, your job is to practice and work hard, and if you can do that, the scoreboard will take care of itself. They would always tell us that practicing was just like preparing for an exam. The harder we practiced, the easier the task would be. Our team was one united brotherhood that would always look after each other. Right after football season was over, I felt great for being featured in my country's U.S. Embassy Facebook page. I felt like a real ambassador of my country, and I started to realize one important thing. Why do Americans enjoy football so much? Well, it's because football is just like life. It requires hard work, sacrifice, dedication, and respect for authority. It teaches you how there are no secrets to success, but that it is the result of preparation, hard work, and learning from failure. It teaches you to be tolerant and how alone we can do so little, but together we can do so much. That's all I had. I'm looking forward to the rest of my exchange year, and I want to thank you for your time.